Is it really possible to take an iPhone 17 Pro Max that ships with only 256 gigabytes of storage and expand it to a full 1 terabyte? Apple officially offers models up to 1 terabyte, but there's no user-accessible slot and no simple upgrade path. Most people believe the internal storage is fixed forever. What you're watching proves otherwise. This phone began life as a standard 256 gigabyte unit. To unlock more space, the logic board had to be carefully exposed and the factory NAND flash chip removed. That tiny chip is soldered directly to the board and surrounded by delicate circuitry, so extracting it demands precision microsoldering equipment and expert temperature control. One slip or a few extra degrees of heat can permanently damage the device. Before the new 1 terabyte chip could be installed, the original calibration and serial data were cloned. This step is critical because iOS ties the storage module's unique identifiers to the rest of the hardware. Without transferring that data, the phone would either refuse to boot or show an error message. Once the new high-capacity NAND module was programmed with the cloned information, it was soldered in place using controlled reflow, ensuring every microscopic connection matched Apple's design. The logic board was then cleaned, reshielded, and reconnected to the display and battery. The upgrade isn't just hardware. After reassembly, specialized tools were used to rewrite low-level configuration files so the system firmware would correctly recognize the expanded capacity. When the phone finally powered on, the result was unmistakable. iOS reported a full 1 terabyte of storage, nearly 4 times the original space, while maintaining the same speed and stability as an official 1 terabyte model. This kind of modification voids any warranty and requires advanced skills that go far beyond ordinary phone repair. But it demonstrates that, with the right expertise and equipment, a 256 gigabyte iPhone 17 Pro Max can indeed be transformed into a true 1 terabyte powerhouse. The operation you're watching was completely successful, proving that even Apple's most sealed-off devices can be upgraded when knowledge, precision, and patience come together.